Morning, everyone. This is Terrell with Black Cloud Geeks. Here to bring you some Python and Pytoberfest. I will be doing Python for the entire month as a part of 30 Days of Code. Right now, I'm using Python as far as Boto 3 for AWS Cloud Services, so that I can use it to manipulate resources and other AWS environments. Be sure to join my Facebook group, Black Cloud Geeks. You can search for it, it's an open group. And I like to post a lot of helpful information dealing with cloud or anything related to cloud, Linux, anything that floats around in the cloud world. I like to post the information. It's free. Just come, go as you please. All right, let's get back to this. Right here in my AWS account, as you see, I've been testing and playing with this stuff, trying to get my code right. So yesterday I did do free code camp, and I was wondering why the list section is super long. Trust me, you definitely need to learn lists. It is a lot to it. I had to use it, a couple for loops. All right, right now I have 0 EC2s up and running. These are all terminated. So without further ado, we will get started over here with the code. So quick step, like I said, I use Boto 3. I use time because I need to use time to get my EC2 to start up and run so that I can pull the instant ID, because that's what I'm gonna use to delete or terminate my EC2. Right here, I got an empty list that I will be appending to that list with my instant ID so that I can delete them. Those are my sleep timers, 10 seconds here, 15 seconds here. And I did an old video where I did my S3 bucket. So still within this code, it's still gonna end up creating me an S3 bucket named Black Cloud Geeks 2020. And it's gonna wait 10 seconds before it deletes that. So let's get started. And I'm gonna run the code. All right, if you look down here, it should get ready to print out all my different instant IDs. Should at least get one. Well, it print out the old ones too. So that is a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Only got 6 here. We got it's up and running. We go to services. We go to S3. Let's see about my S3 bucket still being created. You see my S3 bucket being created. Right now it said that all my EC2 has been deleted and my S3 bucket has been destroyed. So let's refresh and see if my S3 bucket destroyed. Boom, no S3 bucket. Let's go back to EC2. I have no running EC2s. Everything is deleted. So that script worked. I will continue to add on to it throughout the whole month to go along with whatever the group is working with. With that being said, please practice Python. It's the basics that actually make everything happen. Other than that, you'll just be importing libraries and adding the basics to those libraries to get resources from any area, data science, anything to do what you wanted to do, manipulate it. So other than that, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, and let's get through this month. 30 days of code, 30 days of cloud, 30 days of IT, whatever you like. Let's make it happen. Take care.